Aww. Are you giving that kitty huggles? You're laying your head down on the kitty. Aww. Oh, petting the kitty. Purring from Romeo. The soft kitty. Is that too much for you, Romeo? My love-a kitty kitty. Going around, Mama? You got him again. There he is. There he is. Oh.
Oh, he just does.
He's giving Romeo hugs. Yeah. Now what's the matter? You can give Talia hugs? Oh, he wants to give you a hug. Dexter learning how to do hugs now at 10 months. Aww. Oh, that's alright. Romeo's okay. Romeo's okay. Romeo, Talia, it's okay. Romeo knows that he's just a baby. He's okay.
He's shaking.
Well, Romeo could run away if he was really bothered by it, but I think he kind of likes it in a bizarre way.
Look at him, he's so